TikTok dance time now.
I want this.
How that green one?
Welcome to my channel. My name is Michaela. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you are not new here, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, December 27th. It is 5:48 a.m. We're getting ready to go to the beach. Well, I'm ready. They're just waking up. I'm gonna take y'all along with. Oh, my light died. I'm gonna take you guys along with us, and let's see what we get into. Say good morning to the vlog.
Morning vlog. Wash your face first or something, man.
As I'm packing the bag, gotta grab my sunscreen. Although I have not been good. It irritates.
Sorry.
I have not been good with wearing my sunscreen since I've been here, but we're gonna put it on today. Black girl sunscreen for my body and unseen sunscreen super good for my face. Oh guys, I forget to tell you now, me say Christmas night, after we done play bean boozle and whatever, you know, everybody gone home now and we are chilling in the bed. We just lie down, you know, 12 o'clock. We not even turn off the lights. We come in. Next thing we hear
Fire.
be nice, knock knock knock, fire fire fire. Everybody guys, the house next door to us ablaze. One excitement. It was a lot.
It's a flicker.
The lights are flicker. We are run out. Everybody I try call fire brigade. It was chaotic. It was so chaotic. We were out there for like 2 to 3 hours. It took them a while to get the fire out. But that was a lot. I forget if I tell them. I should have told them from the last vlog.
Big up Falmouth police station.
For police station or fire brigade?
Fire station. Yeah. Scrap that. Big up Falmouth fire station.
Yeah man, them
And why name Burnett or Barnett? Because he work, you know. Barnett work last night in there, you know. Barnett work.
We were all standing there watching them like.
Watching Barnett.
Watching them try to out this fire. It's crazy. Thankfully nobody was hurt, but that's why we can laugh about it now. But it was chaotic in the moment. I tell you, we are run out. Him run out with no shoes, no shirt. Me have on theme shoes.
Yeah, look for car key. Kayla, go move the car, Avril.
I tell him to move the key. I had the key in my hand and I said go move the car.
You never give me the key. You have the key inside.
He was parked right across from that house. I said, go move the car. I have the key in my hand. And I call him and he might run up and down and look for the key. So many funny moments. But we did stress initially.
My brother was jumping in the car and I said, put the handbrake. Huh? What name so? Move.
It wasn't, the other guy wasn't his car and them tell the man to move the car and he couldn't figure it out. He was panicking. And I said that, you know, a panic him a panic.
Panic, man.
He couldn't figure out, put on the handbrake. Stopping to get fruits.
Oh, no. Eh? Oh.
Oh, this uncle. I see I call him.
Morning.
I see I know.
Where? Alam mo naman pinipigyan ako. Huwag naman. Pagkali naman. Pagkali. Ngayon, yung kun... Baby dyan sa lahat dyan. Tell you saan ako mag... Ngayon tayo kayo. Hospital.
Yan ang least expect.
Oo. Sabi naman, baby man, one pa yung may miss you.
May get fine and great woman. Actually, star fruit.
Yeah, what?
Star fruit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love them.
How long follow you? How long you asking? Yeah, you with me?
I say with the bag.
Deal.
Are you feeling jealous of me? Stop it, silly. Can't see me for free. That's you about it, yeah, yeah. Are you really about it, yeah, yeah? All my bitches feel that.
Hold it, man. What around it? Oh, come on. Okay, I said. Call. Call. Malia. Call. TikTok dance time now.
I was just...
How is that? Great, man.
You gotta change your clothes. There we go. Change your clothes. Go. Tell mommy to change your clothes. Yeah.
Yes, good, not sure.
Oh, you go get it. Gracias. A long time I didn't drink Angelino. You want some?
Yeah, jelly.
So hot girl in the middle. It drop off. Good. It's not bad. Hi guys. So we left the beach and we are at this natural spring. It's not a big spring. It's a like natural water where people come and catch water. And or you can shower. So we just came here to rinse off. We're gonna spend a quick look at 10 minutes. It's about, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 8:30 now, but like you can hear the water running behind me. And I'm gonna show you guys. Although I'm running out of storage on this memory card. I have another one, but it's at the house. So hopefully it don't run out by the time we get back. Well, let me show y'all what I'm looking at.
No, we go see the circle. You look good, you can see them in the circle.
Big fish in that. But they now come on circle, they wild.
Night tank.
Let me see the corn.
If you sit down and put the foot in it, then go nibble on it. Do it now.
I don't nibble on my foot.
Just do it, man.
100 USD towards them come.
Oh, you can kind of see it.
Yes, me records. Beat your back, man.
Myself, I don't know. Leave me here out of my world. I don't feel anything like this.
Hey guys, it is 12:11 and we just arrived into the city of Montego Bay City, our
St. James.
city of scammers.
We just get tapping like Jesus.
Anyways, so we just arrived to Montego Bay again. Me feel like me there must be every day. I was just here Christmas Day twice.
Are you one girl?
But we're just coming here to handle something very quick.
Look for friend named Sanisha.
Nothing serious.
Say hi,
We're not gonna be here all. Watch out. We're not gonna be here all day. Just a quick run in and run out. And I want to go to Cafe Blue. I want to try Cafe Blue. I've never been there. That's like, what do you call it now? It's a coffee place. It's like a Starbucks-esque. Yeah, but Jamaican. So let's see what we'll get into. We're tired, guys. Oh god. We wake up from 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock? Yeah. My alarm went up at 5 because I went to the beach. But I want to sleep, man. I'll go back home. I'm going to take a nap. How about you? You tired?
Yes, sir.
Hey, you used to 5 o'clock wake up. I'm not. But yeah. I'll see you guys later. Alright, come on to the most yours. Thoughts, Anthony, taste yours, all it tastes.
Starbucks have competition.
Anthony got a strawberry lemonade. Where give it? Rate it. You got a cookie and cream from.
It's a good eat. It's a good eat.
What you give it?
11.
11 out of 10? Alright, let me taste mine.
It tastes literally like a strawberry lemonade.
I got
I
a...
think it tastes like lemonade strawberry.
No, but like you know, some things have like a buzz.
No, no, buzz.
It tastes like
A Kool-Aid mix
strawberry
here one.
lemonade.
Chocolate.
You know, with a good tongue.
Can't go on.
Well,
It's a French vanilla iced coffee. Make it a 8.
Taste mine. You know, act like mine. Mine hotter than that.
And we get food also, but we're hungry, guys, so bye.
this could I get like more ice too.
This tastes good.
Yes, yeah, but delivery.
We not switch. No, we not.
You know,
I same thing. I don't say
this
cookie.
was supposed to be bigger.
So they rob me.
Yeah.
I care about. Give me it.
It's supposed to be an extra large. And this is a large.
Reach 40, that's how I go.
It tastes good though. Alright, later guys. We are
I
good
think so
now.
that's small package, you know? If it's big, it will taste good.
Bye. Alright, hey guys. I'm tying my edges done. Don't pay me no mind. It is New Year's Eve, so many days later. But we're about to head out. We're gonna go get a little dinner right now. It is 7 p.m. so I'm ready. When I take off all of this, my show now everything, but I just have, let me see, just have this Zara top on, Zara crop top, and then this skirt is from Shein, and I'm just wearing my black Torbert sandals, and that's pretty much it. Nothing special, so I want to take y'all along with me. This is a new restaurant that we're going to be trying, so I wasn't gonna vlog. Arville said I should vlog. I'm being forced, but let's go.
Then dip me underway.
And taking all the mashed potatoes aside, vegetable, rice and peas, fries if you want.
I know. I'll do mashed potato.
Right up to the
we are one of 2 couples up here.
3, 1 down.
One of 2.
Sunday, go home Friday.
It's New Year's Eve.
Even if they're party or they're church or something. Why you never go to church?
I was gonna go to church, but you by myself.
Tonight?
But you said me could go this a place now. I would have gone to church.
Who got this here?
After we eat. After we eat. Thoughts? They can't hear you. Thoughts?
The food good. I give them a 10.
You get everywhere at 10.
This you know, but I give them a 10. If the ribs have a little bit burnt. Curry goat, nice. Mashed potato, nice. Bami. Kid eat up like bami. But it's nice. This, nice.
So what's your final score?
I give them an 8. You know, the menu want to fix up.
You went from a 10 to a 8.
They said me woulda give them a 10.
You started at a 10.
They said me woulda.
I give it a 7. It has the potential to be very nice. Up here empty, but I wish they were playing a little music or something. And the food was good. Not the most amazing food I've ever had in my life, but it was good food. You know, it was good. It wasn't great, but it was good.
Anthony Miller.
It was good. So I give it a 7. Them tweak couple things and them can be a 9.
I like the silence. Peaceful. Can I eat my food in peace?
Nobody's here. It's just us.
I like the solitude, you know, like the privacy. I appreciate that. You say you want to go somewhere, just me and you, and God give you wish and you complain same way. You can't. You see, you can't.
You should have seen you book out the restaurant, and that you should have seen you miss your chance.
We do it, you know, sneakingly. We never want to tell you.
So yeah, guys, that's my thoughts. And yeah, let's see what the bill is. But other than that,
Beg a bathroom, eh?
other than that, it was good. The location, it depended off of the highway side. Yeah, that's our thoughts. Where are we heading now? After this?
Church.
Where are we going?
Church.
You sure?
I got church for New Year. No partying. Church early.
It is now. Okay. Too enough, man. Too little bit enough. Too little bit enough. I'll catch y'all in the next clip. Bye. Hi guys. Many moons later. I think it's actually like 2 weeks no, not 2 weeks, 12 days later since the last time I recorded. I'm pretty sure the last time I recorded was New Year's Eve night. So after the last time we talked to you, when we were at the restaurant, I believe, we ended up finishing the night at church, and then we just came home. It was a pretty slow New Year's Eve. We didn't go party or anything like that. So so I've been sick. I literally, the next day, New Year's Day, I woke up, I was sick, and I've been sick since then, but I'm just now like recovering and feeling much better. I still have a little like scratch in my throat, but I'm good now. I got my hair done. So much has happened. I got my hair done last Saturday. Today's the 12th, by the way. So I got my hair done last Saturday. I was gonna bring you guys, but I was like, I needed to take a break after Vlogmas. Even these clips that you just saw before, I thought about completely scrapping them and starting a new vlog, but I didn't want to just waste them. So I decided to put it in this vlog, give it to you, and then I'll start a new vlog tomorrow. So yeah, I got my hair done. It's really cute. Let me see if I can show you. They are very long, but yeah, love them. They're really neat. So I've had them for a week now, and they still look good. So I'm gonna keep this in for a little while, but I wanted to come back and give you guys a bathroom update. It's been almost 2 weeks, so much has happened in this bathroom, and I'm so excited to show you. So let's go. We're not up 100% done yet, but I think right now we're at like 70%, so, or let's say 65%, but much further than we were the last time you saw it. So first off, we have tile. The walls are tiled and the floor is tiled. So that was one of the first things to get done last week. So I don't know if you can see properly. It's nighttime now, so it may not look as bright in here, but yeah. So the wall is tiled. The rest of it is going to be painted, hopefully this weekend or early next week. We already have the paint. The toilet was put in yesterday and the sink was put in today. I think there's something else left to be done, but the faucet is on. It's black, love that. And then the rest of the fixtures need to be put on in here, but we're almost there, guys. So just those fixtures left in here needs to be painted, and then the glass enclosure for the shower is going to be here on Wednesday. The man said hopefully it comes on time. Hopefully it's not late, so the glass will be up next Wednesday if he's on time. And then what else? Oh, and then the mirror needs to go up, and it will be pretty much almost complete except like small decorative things, but it's come a long way. I'm really excited. It's been such a stressful journey and an expensive journey, so let me know if you guys are interested in knowing like the prices of things or what I paid for things, or what I paid especially for the stuff that I got. I am sweating. Especially for the stuff that I got on like Amazon and stuff. I can link them and give you guys prices and how much I paid for like tile and stuff. If you're interested, leave me a comment. So yeah, the bathroom is coming along, so hopefully by the next vlog maybe the bathroom will be done. I'm hoping, fingers crossed. Hopefully it's just one more week and then we'll be good to go. So yeah, I wanted to come on and finish the vlog. You guys are gonna get this on Sunday. Today is Friday, so we are back to our regular scheduled programming with Sunday uploads. That is the goal. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. So until then, I'm gonna make it with myself. Bye guys.